Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let me just actually unlock it. So to get started, we will need to navigate into our settings. Let's go back to the main settings page because apparently fully closing it didn't actually go back to the main one anyway. So from the main settings, we're gonna navigate to General. Then we're gonna swipe down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and we want to select Erase All Content and Settings. This will then bring us up with info that it's gonna remove 20 gigabytes of data, our iCloud, and a couple additional things like eSIM and whatever. We're gonna select Continue. It will automatically, actually not yet. It's gonna first tell us to put in our PIN for no reason. You will know why for no reason in a second. Then it's going to automatically, without even questioning, start uploading a backup copy to iCloud, which you didn't even ask, so how about no? And then it's going to ask us to put in our Apple ID password in order to proceed, which makes the PIN absolutely effing redundant. So I'm going to put in my password right now to confirm this. Okay. And from here, we're just gonna select Turn Off. Now it's looking like it's not doing anything. Just give it a moment. It's iPhone, so it's a little bit slow. It's got the spirit, but it's slow. There we go. So now it brings us a window asking us if we want to also delete our eSIM data or not. Now, if you don't know what eSIM is, it's basically your digital version of a SIM card. Now, if you didn't use one on this device, then obviously that doesn't really matter. But if you did use one, the one that you scan with a QR code, then you might want to probably delete it if, for instance, you're selling this device. If you're just resetting it for the sake of resetting it and you're going to be using it again, this might not matter. You might want to probably keep it. I am getting rid of this device, so I'm going to select Delete eSIM. And it's going to now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take a couple of minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, I'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.